Hello everyone! Today we are going to unbox the Yale Assure Lock 2 with Wi-Fi. The smart lock lets you unlock the door with your smartphone, smart speaker, Apple Watch, and it auto-unlocks as you approach the door. Through the Yale Access app, you can control your lock remotely and create and share custom entry codes so that everyone in your household has secure, key-free entry. Since this lock has Wi-Fi built in, you can do this all from anywhere. When you open Yale Assure Lock 2 with Wi-Fi, the first thing you'll notice is an envelope, which contains our quick start guide and manual. The quick start guide tells you how to set up your smart lock in the Yale Access app, which provides detailed instructions that walk you step by step through the installation process. Keep this guide as it has a QR code that you'll need when adding the lock to your Yale Access app. Next, we have the front and back parts of your smart lock. This front piece installs on the exterior side of your door. The white cable passes under your deadbolt latch and connects to the back of your lock, which goes on the inside of your door. The back has two compartments for batteries and for your Wi-Fi smart module, both of which are included in the box. The Wi-Fi smart module connects your lock to your local Wi-Fi network so you can control it remotely without any extra hubs or accessories. Inside the box, you'll also find a mounting plate, which is where the back of your smart lock attaches to your door, a strike plate, and a deadbolt. You will need to remove and replace your deadbolt during installation, but the process is simple and can be done without professional help. To attach the mounting plate to your door, we've included 3 sets of screws of different lengths to accommodate doors between 1 and 3/8 inches to 2 and 1/4 inches thick. The 2 extra long screws are used for installing your strike plate. If you purchase an Assure Lock 2 with Wi-Fi, you'll also get a Yale Wi-Fi Smart Module. This module will insert into the back of your lock above the batteries during installation. Last but not least, we have 4 AA batteries, a battery cover key, the Yale DoorSense sensor, and a backup key. The DoorSense sensor installs next to your lock on your door frame, and it detects if your deadbolt is locked or unlocked. The Yale Access app provides real-time notifications when your door status is changed or if it's left ajar. The keyed version comes with the backup key. That's everything that's inside the box for Yale Assure Lock 2 with Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.